and the ground gave way beneath my feet, and the earth took me in her arms. Leaves covered my face and marched across my back. Black sky opened up, blinding me. I ran to the forest, I ran to the trees, I ran and I ran. I was looking for me. I ran to the lake, I ran to the hills, I ran and I ran. I'm looking there still.